Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make kimchi. 3 steps: prepare the cabbage, prepare the sauce, and then let the time do the work. I used 2 cabbage. You firstly chop them into this size in the screen, and then you soak them into the salted water. So the water should just cover the surface of the cabbage. So this is to make all the salt go into the cabbage slowly. And then you want to put some heavy stuff on the cabbage so that it has some weight on the cabbage, so they just maintain under the water. How much salt you want to add just totally depends on your taste, but it should be a little bit salty when you taste the cabbage. Now is the waiting time. You want to leave it in the sink for at least 5 hours, but better like overnight, so all the flavor will go in. I did it overnight, so now comes to the next day. You take all the heavy stuff out. At this time, it's actually good to take the salted water out. It has the cabbage texture, whatever the juice in it, to add into the paste later on. I forgot about it, but you should definitely do it. You rinse all the cabbage, wash them thoroughly. You should see the cabbage texture change a little bit already. It's not standing up anymore. Drain and place all those cabbage in a very big bowl. Coming to step 2 to prepare for the sauce. So firstly, you need some carrot, radish, and a spring onion to add into the sauce. Chop them into very thin slice. Now the main part is to prepare the paste. This is the main Korean chili powder that you have to use. Other chili powder might also be okay, but I think it's authentic to use the Korean one. So you add garlic paste into the Korean chili powder. You add ginger paste and also add some sugar. It gave a little bit sweetness into it. Add some soy sauce. I added 3 to 4 spoons here. And then you need to move on, add a special thing, which is the rice flour paste. So you add the rice flour into the water and boil them into this sort of texture. If you don't have, you can also use just plain flour. And then you mix them well all together. It should be something like this. And then you add all the vegetables you just chopped: radish, carrot, and spring onion. Again, if you don't have cabbage, you can leave it, but it just gives a better texture and an overall flavor to the kimchi. And continue to mix them. Better you use gloves at this time because the sauce might be not good for your hand. It's good to mention that my version is totally vegetarian or even vegan, so the ingredients are much more simpler. Then you add the sauce into the previously prepared cabbage in step 1, and then just mix all of them together. Here we need to mention that the sauce, the paste, need to touch every single piece of the cabbage to ensure the flavor. This is how it looks like after mixing very well the sauce, the cabbage all together. Now you transfer it to a storage bowl. Now it's the magic time. You leave the box in the fridge for fermentation for 2 to 3 days. Wow! Let's see what it becomes 3 days after. Wow! The garlic, the chili, the fermented taste, the kimchi taste. Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! You can have the kimchi for so many ways. Have it by itself, eat it with rice, add into noodles, instant noodles, make a Korean kimchi pancake. Watch my another video for the link. Add it into soup, Korean kimchi tofu soup. Having kimchi also has a lot of benefits. It contains probiotics. You see all those Korean ladies and girls, their skin are so good. It may slow aging as well. Check out all the benefits listed online here. I would say just avoid overeating. Overall, it's quite a good pickle snack for your food. And after all, it is so damn yummy. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.